Never ship. Multiple attempts to contact seller. Etsy refunded me. Incredibly disappointed. Welcome to my Etsy shop reviews. My name is Elisa, and today we're going to see what shops stop my scroll. We're going to go onto Etsy as a buyer and see what shops pop off the page and make me want to stop, shop, try, or just keep passing by. Let's get into the shop reviews and let's help you learn, grow, and succeed in your Etsy shop. In this critique, I will check photo quality, decide if I trust this shop, look at the reviews, see the description, and then I will give my rating. The first shop that I'm doing is Faux by Mo, and this shop visually, when I look at it, it looks appealing. It looks like some art that I may want to purchase. Everything looks really good. The thumbnails are crisp. They're clean, and this is something that I would definitely use in my home if I were shopping for art. This looks like it is prints. I don't know if it is just digital downloads or if it's prints, but let's look deeper into it. Okay, so do I trust this shop? I love the way it looks, but the problem is right here. This is a 1-star shop. So let's see why this is a 1-star shop here. As we go down to the reviews, I can see that you've got a lot of issues here. So first of all, there's a couple 1-star reviews that these items never shipped. Of course, that's by the same buyer. So that's pretty bad because she got you triple whammy. She gave you 3 1-star reviews. But then I go down and here's another person. I spent $100, but the print never came. I was incredibly disappointed, never got my print. I want a refund. I wish I could review, but the print was never received. The order was never sent. Okay, so would I buy now? The trust factor for me has gone down a lot because I can't prove that you're gonna ship my order. So let's look at one of the photos here. So this is an $8 picture. It looks like you offer different sizes, which is really good, but then I need some details. So here I go, I'm looking for details and it says photo print. That's not enough to get me to buy, just details saying photo print, and there's nothing really, okay. Let's see, nothing else here. So then I'm going, and again, these are popping up right in my face. Never ship. Multiple attempts to contact seller. Etsy refunded me at least. Very sad. Incredibly disappointed. Never got my print. I was so looking forward to it. Okay, I wish I could order them all. Okay, so someone here gave you a 5-star review, but that was in 2021. So what has happened? What has happened in the past few years that in 2024, these reviews are getting so bad? There is no description, so I don't know if you've abandoned this shop. I don't really know what is going on here, but this isn't good. So let's try and find a different print and see if we can rectify some of this here. Okay, I still don't have any item details. It just says BLM. For you guys that don't know, that is for Black Lives Matter. I need more information. So basically, where's the title? Where is the title here? Okay, so there's no item details, no room for fear. Wow, that is title, thumbnail. Title is really not SEO. It's not helping you out at all with SEO. Okay, so let's look at your titles in general. Sunflower Field, that gives me nothing. It doesn't tell me if it's a photo, if it's a print, if it's digital, if it's, I don't know anything else. Super Bowl champs. So, hey, this looks like you might be here because this is recent. So let's look at this. Super Bowl champs, photo print. That's all it says. Okay, so unfortunately, I'm going to have to pass on this shop. And if I had to give it a rating between a 1 and a 5, I would agree with most of the reviews. And unfortunately, I'd have to give you a 1-star review just as the shop has. And I hope that you can take some of this advice and do somewhat better for your customers, for your shop. But this isn't good at all. You have 2,000 sales, but a 1-star shop review rating is not good. And you didn't convince me that these are anything I need to buy other than they look really pretty. But then again, I'm not going to get them according to the other reviewers. So therefore, I have to give you a pass. On to the next shop review. Oh my God. Wait, that is so, what am I looking at here? We're gonna see what shops stop my scroll. As we go into Etsy, if something grabs my attention, I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna shop. But when I get there, will I wanna buy it, try it, or will I wanna just scroll on by? We're gonna find out. In this critique, I will check photo quality, decide if I trust this shop, look at the reviews, see the description, and then I will give my rating. All right, so the homepage picture that grabbed me and pulled me in was this here. So this popped off the page when I was scrolling through Etsy, so let's give it a review. This is also an Etsy pick. It was my pick out of the crowd, and I believe it was because of this guy right here in the front pillow. That is really, really unique. So let's go ahead. It's called the Ugly Pillow, a custom ugly pillow for a friend, a hot ugly cat, a pet pillow, a gift. So all of these are actually pillows, which I guess with the description I'm just seeing, and that is super, super cute. Let's look at the pricing. Okay, so there's different sizes here, 14-inch to 28 inches, which gives me a lot of size options, and they've also put some photos in so I can see the different options. I love that they have, oh my God, wait, that is so cute. Wait, is that 3? Hold on, what am I looking at here? Oh, that is so cute. I love that. So it looked like it had a zipper so that I can wash it. And it looks like they're taking photographs and they're putting it onto these pillows. And then they're showing me an infographic of the sizing, which I love. So do I trust this shop right now? I do. I do trust this shop. And the one thing that I'm noticing that the video showed me, let's go back here, was it showed me the underside, which I wouldn't have probably guessed that it looked like it had a zipper and I can unzip, take out the stuffing. Yeah, right there. Okay, that is really cool. So let's look at the, okay, so you can choose from your head or your body. That's a really unique idea here. Let's look at the reviews. Okay, so they have 800 reviews. They have 4.5 stars. Funny, I loved it. Exactly as described. So social proof is here. The social proof for this shop is looking really good. Let me go to the homepage and see what else. Okay, this is super cute. Visually, this is really, really nice. It's called EJ by, I can't read. Okay, so you might want to work on a little bit of your shop name. It's hard to read all of this. I don't know if this EJ by or Trait Design. I'm not sure, but those are really close together, so I can't. EJ by Portrait Design. EJ by Portrait Design. Okay, this is still a little bit tough to read. This was harder to read, so I would probably space that a little bit. For me, it was pretty difficult. So let's look at the shop here. So the pricing looks really good. Visually, this is funny. I'm curious. This dog almost looks real. That's a pillow. Yeah. I mean, it looks real. This is great pricing. I have a lot of options here. They've got great social proof. They have, been around for a bit because they have almost 5,000 reviews. And so you can pick from different things like a character, a pet, a keychain, a coin purse, gifts for men. Okay, so they've got their categories here. So this shop has social proof. It was visually appealing. I've never seen anything like it, so it stood out from the crowd. This is definitely something that I would purchase. I would buy it. I would try it. This is unique. It's giftable. It's cute. I think you guys are doing a great job here in this shop. I completely love this and good job. So, this shop, if I had to rate it from a 1 out of 5, I would definitely give it a 5. I'm so glad you're here to learn and grow. Tell me your name and the city and state you're from. And if you want me to look at your shop and see if it stops my scroll, then go ahead and put it in the comments below. We're gonna see what shops stop my scroll. As we do these critiques and reviews, this should help you grow your shop by learning what to do, what not to do, and what a buyer may be looking for. We're gonna go on to Etsy as a buyer and see what shops pop off the page and make me wanna stop, shop, try, buy, or just keep passing by. Let's go ahead and see what else jumps off the page. Oh. In this critique, I will check photo quality, decide if I trust this shop, look at the reviews, see the description, and then I will give my rating. This right here. So this jumped off the page for me because it had some really visually stimulating colors. I was drawn to these flowers. I really like the way that they look. They're crocheted. So let's see, it's Mother's Day crochet flower bouquet, sunflower, handmade gift, finished product, birthday, girlfriend, mom, grandma, wife, gift for her. And it's by Best Jellyfish US. So let's go ahead and look at, oh my goodness, this is so cute. This is a gift for me that I would definitely buy because I feel like I could keep it. I feel like if I gave it to my mother-in-law, that she would have it forever. I love that the colors pop. I love that these are flowers and the big sunflower in the middle. It's really, really cute. Let's look at the options here. So, oh wow, okay, so the pricing it's a little bit high, but wow, for the quality of the work and the detail, I think I would definitely try and maybe buy this. So you can get small buds, you can get a rose orange. So I'm not sure if she's selling individual items here and I'm buying these separately. So let's see if we've got some detail here that we can look at. So item details. Okay, so this is handmade premium milk cotton yarn. Okay, everything about her plant science that she studied. So what you see is what you get. Okay, the bouquet you will receive and the one in the photo are the same, fully packaged, including the wrapping paper and the bow. You can place your order to have it delivered directly to your friend or a friend for a gift. I love this. I love this. Okay, she's got the care instructions here. Everything in the description is broken down easily for me to read. She's got a red heart here so that I could see exactly, the different columns that she's trying to lay out for me. I would just suggest that you put a space between the heart and the next letter, like heart space due to the nature of. Just put a spacing here would be a little critique. But I mean, these are wonderful. Let's see what the reviews look like. This shop right here has 2,371 reviews and it is a 5-star shop. And it just says, just as described, very satisfied with my purchase. The flowers are beautiful. They came exactly as advertised. I love how these came out. Would gladly repurchase them. And you know what? I'm going to give you a buy. I am definitely going to add this to the cart and send these to my mother-in-law for Mother's Day. I love this. When we are done with this review, I am definitely going to heart your shop. I'm going to come back and I'm going to purchase this bouquet and have it sent because this has won me over. This is a definite buy for me. This shop for me, a 1 out of 5, it gets a 5. It's visually beautiful. Let's look at the front page. Wow, best jellyfish. Okay, best jellyfish. So these are all one word. Original handcrafted crochet gifts since 2022. Okay, I wouldn't imagine that you've just been making these for like 2-3 years. So it looks like you've got a lot of experience here. You have almost 9,200 sales. You've got, your best seller, your star seller. What I would do here is just make sure you're keeping up with your holidays. You have a Thanksgiving and Christmas. So make sure to look at the front end of your shop a little bit closer and if you're going to add certain dates or holidays, make sure to go in and check those so you're not behind. Because right now we're coming up on Mother's Day and the Easter holiday. So, you've got 130 items in the shop, and these bouquets, they just look visually appealing. I feel like I can trust this shop. You have social proof, you have the reviews that just speak volumes, and I'm definitely going to order from you. So, this shop gets a rating of 5 from me, and you also got a new customer. I love this right here.